Have you ever wondered how a small apartment can feel stylish, spacious, and completely customized without spending a fortune? Welcome back to Manna Home Design. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant mid-century modern apartment that's been transformed over the years with smart DIY projects, budget-friendly upgrades, and clever small space design ideas. Every room in this home tells a story, from custom renovations and thrifted treasures to creative decorating solutions that make the entire apartment feel larger, brighter, and more functional. If you're looking for apartment decorating inspiration, home makeover ideas, or practical design tips you can actually use in your own space, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beautiful apartment tours, DIY transformations, and interior design inspiration. Now, let's step inside and discover the brilliant ideas that transformed this apartment into a home you'll never want to leave. Entryway. Let's start with the entryway, one of the most overlooked spaces in apartment design. Most small apartment entrances end up cluttered and chaotic, but this space shows how a few simple upgrades can instantly create a welcoming first impression. Notice how the mirror reflects light and visually expands the space, while the decorative wall treatment adds character without overwhelming the room. Small apartment storage ideas like wall hooks and organized drop zones help keep everyday essentials accessible while maintaining a clean look. If your apartment entryway feels cramped or uninspiring, this setup offers an easy solution. By combining function, style, and smart organization, even a tiny entrance can feel intentional, practical, and beautifully designed from the moment you walk through the door. Dining room. This dining room is proof that great design often starts with seeing potential where others see problems. What was once an overlooked piece became the focal point of the entire room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for everyday living. One thing many apartment dwellers struggle with is making their dining area feel special. Here, the combination of mid-century modern furniture, layered lighting, reflective surfaces, and carefully chosen decor creates a space that feels larger and more sophisticated without requiring expensive renovations. The biggest takeaway here is that beautiful interiors aren't always about buying new things. Sometimes it's about repurposing, refinishing, and creatively styling what you already have. That's one of the smartest ways to achieve a designer-inspired apartment on a realistic budget. Kitchen. The kitchen is often the hardest working room in any apartment, and it's also one of the most expensive spaces to renovate. That's why smart planning matters so much when creating a functional and beautiful kitchen design. A common problem in older apartments is poor lighting and limited workspace. By using lighter cabinet colors, maximizing storage, and creating a more open layout, this kitchen feels brighter, more spacious, and far more enjoyable to use every day. What's especially inspiring is that many of these upgrades are DIY friendly. From custom-looking cabinetry to cohesive color schemes, these apartment kitchen ideas prove that thoughtful design decisions can deliver a high-end look without a luxury renovation budget. Living room. For many people, the living room is where comfort and style need to work together. It's where we relax, entertain guests, and spend most of our time at home. That's why creating a balanced design is so important. This room showcases several small space decorating strategies that instantly elevate the atmosphere. Mid-century modern furniture, layered textures, warm lighting, and carefully selected statement pieces create a space that feels cozy, organized, and visually interesting. If you've ever struggled to make your living room feel complete, notice how every piece contributes to the overall story. Instead of filling the room with random furniture, the design focuses on cohesion, helping the space feel calm, intentional, and welcoming. DIY fireplace feature wall. One of the easiest ways to add personality to an apartment is by creating a focal point. Without one, a room can sometimes feel unfinished or lacking visual interest. This DIY fireplace feature wall transforms an ordinary section of the room into something memorable. The textures, materials, and architectural details draw your attention immediately while helping define the overall style of the space. The lesson here is simple: you don't always need major renovations to create impact. Sometimes a single thoughtful project can completely change how a room looks and feels, making your home more inviting and uniquely yours. Home recording studio. Working from home, creating content, or pursuing creative hobbies often requires dedicated space. The challenge is finding room for those activities without sacrificing the rest of your apartment. This home studio demonstrates how multifunctional spaces can work beautifully. Smart furniture choices, organized storage, and efficient layouts allow this room to support productivity, creativity, and daily living all at the same time. If you've been searching for home office ideas or creative workspace inspiration, this setup offers a valuable reminder. Even a modest room can become highly functional when every design decision serves a clear purpose. Bathroom. Bathrooms can be particularly challenging in older apartments. Limited storage, dated finishes, and awkward layouts often make the space feel less inviting than the rest of the home. Rather than fighting the existing features, this bathroom embraces them. By working with the original elements and introducing complementary colors and decor, the room feels more polished, cohesive, and visually balanced. That's an important lesson for any apartment makeover. Sometimes the most successful transformations happen when you enhance what's already there instead of trying to replace everything from scratch. Bedroom. Your bedroom should feel like a retreat from the outside world. Unfortunately, many people struggle to create a space that feels both relaxing and visually appealing. This bedroom uses soft textures, calming colors, layered lighting, and thoughtful styling to create a peaceful atmosphere. Every design choice supports comfort while maintaining the apartment's cohesive mid-century modern aesthetic. If you're looking for bedroom decorating ideas, remember that comfort often comes from simplicity. A well-designed bedroom doesn't need dozens of accessories. It needs balance, warmth, and a layout that supports everyday life. Grand finale. After exploring every room, one thing becomes clear: beautiful homes are rarely created overnight. They're built gradually through thoughtful decisions, creativity, and a willingness to improve one small detail at a time. This apartment demonstrates that great interior design isn't about having unlimited money. It's about solving problems, maximizing space, and creating an environment that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Whether you're planning a complete apartment makeover or simply searching for decorating inspiration, I hope these ideas help you see new possibilities in your own space. Sometimes the most impressive transformations begin with a single project, a single room, or even a single idea. If you enjoyed these small apartment design ideas, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring home tours, DIY upgrades, and budget-friendly decorating tips. See you in the next home tour.